Have you ever seen a t-shirt logo you can feel? At AMBRO Manufacturing, we specialize in embossed and debossed apparel that brings your brand to life in a bold and tactile way. Here, we're prepping a sample fabric panel by placing it onto a silicone adhesive sheet. This helps secure the fabric for the next step, the emboss and deboss press. This specialized emboss and deboss press uses heat and pressure, along with a custom CNC-milled magnesium die made just for your logo. As the press closes, the combination of heat and force permanently reshapes the fabric. The result? A clean, deep, debossed imprint that's subtle, stylish, and built to last. This isn't your everyday screen print or embroidery. It's premium branding you can actually touch. Whether you're looking to elevate your merch, team gear, or retail line, AMBRO Manufacturing has you covered. Ready to create something unforgettable? Call AMBRO Manufacturing today to talk about custom emboss and deboss designs for your t-shirts and hoodies.